white money. This is supposed to be special because you're Enugu. For the down to heart, the convener here, your sister, your blood sister, Reginald Barrister, Captain Amani, the barrister, former local chairman of the Suso, a one-time lead, a one-time down, the CEO of Kazan Empire and Homes of Fashion. The woman that made the person will be very well for a national tradition. White money from the down to my heart. Everyone loves you. We are proud of you. You made us proud. We want to make you proud. Yes. If you know you love white money, you want to make all these things before we move. Let's do it this way before let's do it this way. It's all money, your family, all your baby family from Oma and the village, Tinudi, from home, local government is here. The family of outside. Yeah, the main man. We are going down there. Look up. Welcome to you. Look now. I want your friend there.
Everything was taken.
Yes, as you can see,
me and
we are live here at the airport. So water. Yes. And my brother, Silva. Yes.
With the beats.
We welcome them.
Yes, DJ, enter, DJ. Wait. DJ, wait. You follow white money directly. Wait. Don't enter now. White money with the cash.